Good morning, sixth graders. I hope you all enjoyed your winter break. I'm still going with my just out of bed, fresh bedhead look because I have one more day of break, so I'm just enjoying it. For this week, you're going to need your benchmark Unit 4 TCR. It's called The Reader's Perspective. I love this one. So make sure you find this in one of the bags that you picked up from school, Unit 4, and the accompanying packet. You'll also need Studies Weekly, Week 8. It is called The Continuing Legacy of Mesopotamia. You learned a lot about Mesopotamia in Week 7, and it's continuing on with that for Week 8. You'll need your Carnegie book, your science notebook, any notebook that you take notes in for math, ELA, or science you'll also need. So I want to remind you every day, make sure you're going through the daily overview slides. We are starting a new Google Classroom today. So we're going to be doing that together at our 8 o'clock morning meet. So I'm going to give you the code. We're going to log in together. If you don't make the meeting, I'll put the code on the stream. But we're moving from the Miss Mercy's 6th grade class to the new classroom that's going to be called Try to Miss Mercy. This is because you're only allowed to have 100 topics in a Google Classroom, and so all teachers are moving to a second classroom now. So if you have siblings, they'll be doing the same thing if they haven't already. So we'll do that together. Make sure that you are staying on the schedule. So I know we've been off for a few weeks. We've been, relaxing and enjoying our time off, but we have a lot of work to do. And so in order to get that work done in a timely manner, make sure you are following the schedule in the daily overview. So for example, here's our daily overview schedule for today. Morning meeting, you can do Mathia or Dreambox. Here, 5-a-day language or ELD. I put in plenty of breaks, so here's a break. Then we have our Math Google Meet, independent assignment for math, science, make sure you're taking the whole time for these assignments. And then you have another break, our ELA meet. Make sure you are on time to all the live meets. Please do not be late. And then your ELA independent activity, which is going to be on ReadWorks. Then you could take a lunch, and then, that should say social studies. I will fix that. It should say social studies at the end. So that will be fixed. But make sure you're staying on the schedule so that you can be done by, in this case, I'll put social studies here for 30 minutes. You'll be done by 2:10. If you're following the schedule and taking the amount of time you're supposed to for your assignments, you shouldn't be done any later than 2:30. And then you have the whole rest of the day to do whatever you want. Okay? So I will see you at 8. And looking forward to it. Bye.